Have you ever dreamed of having your very own, private, all-inclusive family estate? Well, that's what we have here for you today in the beautiful Roberts Cove at 119 Olinger Lane. This beautiful estate sits on 5 acres of land, has over 4,500 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and is loaded with amenities. Me being from South Louisiana, my favorite one's gotta be the pool. Now we're gonna head over to our grill and chill headquarters, where there's plenty of room to grill, and there's more than enough burners to make that gravy stank, make that stew brew, and get that gumbo to roll, baby. All while you're entertaining your guests and overlooking your beautiful pool. Another great thing about this pool is if you want to work on that perfect tan, don't do it in the heat. Do it in style in this cool, soothing tanning bed. And don't forget, once you finish swimming and tanning for the day, rinse off in your outdoor shower. Tired of living at the ballpark 24/7? I'm here in another incredible amenity at 119 Olinger in a custom-built batting cage suited with cargo netting and lights all the way around so you can hit dingers all day and all night. All right, welcome to not the man cave, because at 119 Olinger, we have a man cabin. Big enough for RV storage, boats, lawn equipment, sporting gear, workout area, and any other workshop hobbies you may have. All right, now that we gave you a chance to check out the outside, wait till you get a look at this beautiful home on the inside. As soon as you enter the home, there's a beautiful foyer, which leads into the great room, which has a custom-built entertainment system, gas and wood-burning chimney, has hardwood floors, built-in surround sound, with over 700 square foot living that has a beautiful view of the pool. All right, now we're gonna head over to the kitchen. We have elegant granite countertops, an enlarged island that can seat the whole family, stainless steel appliances which will all stay, custom-built cabinets, custom-built hood vent with an open gas range. And check this out, double stainless steel oven next to a beautiful view of the front yard and the pond. You got a nice office nook and coffee station. So in the morning, get up slow, check your email, grab a cup of coffee overlooking your pond. One thing about 119 Olinger, there's no shortage of storage space. There's not one, not two, but 3 pantries. On this side of the split floor plan, there's 3 bedrooms for the kids. One has its own ensuite and the other has a Jack and Jill restroom. And then it opens up into a nice mudroom where you can store your stuff afterwards. This home is actually 2 stories. Upstairs is a large family room with its own bathroom. Perfect for hosting game nights, family nights, music, karaoke, anything you could think of. And for me personally, this is my favorite part of upstairs, is this beautiful view of the entire property. All right, now our bonus room, which is currently being used as a gym, which you can enjoy your morning run while looking at your beautiful pond. And now, finally, to the master bedroom. Vaulted ceilings, built-in surround sound, wood floors, and check out this amazing view of the property and the pool, which leads us to the master bath. This master bathroom is equipped with split vanities, has tile countertops, and also has additional space for a makeup area. You also have a huge garden tub with a nice view. And check this out, custom-built walk-in shower, has tile from floor to ceiling, and also has a built-in steamer. And don't forget this enormous walk-in closet. When searching for properties in South Louisiana, one of the first things we think about is the weather. This house is located in a non-flood zone and was built on a 36-inch house pad. This house is also equipped with a Generac. Also, the yard is equipped with a backflow drain. So whenever it rains, it's gonna get that water out for you as quick as possible so you can get back to cutting that grass. Now, we can't forget about the stock pond, which has a ton of bass and brim and is surrounded by cypress trees. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll be glad to take you on a personal tour. Once again, I'm Domingue with Katie Real Estate. Thanks for watching.